Make sure to stand till the end. If your AC blows warm, it could be problem not directly related to the AC system. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger. It could be V6, V8, and if your AC air conditioner blows warm air, we will explain the top reasons for that, what you need to check and how to find out what's wrong with it. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Charger we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have here, 2018 Dodge, guys, that 3.6 engine is quite common on Dodge Chargers, but even if you have a V8 it will work as well. So what can easily, guys, cause AC not to work? First thing, we'll recommend to always check fuses and relays. For AC compressor, okay, we'll talk about that. Check AC compressor, fuses, relays. If you want to see where the video is, it's on our second YouTube channel, Electrical Car Repair Live, where you can find all different videos for fuses and relays on Dodge Charger. Number two, let's talk about something else. We'll start with things that can cause it, that are actually not directly related, guys. Radiator fan. If your radiator fan does not work, the engine computer will deactivate the AC compressor, because otherwise it will reduce the chance for the car to overheat, or it will give you a little bit extra time until you overheat, because the condenser, when the AC works, the condenser puts hot air towards the radiator and the radiator will overheat, guys, fast. So if fan doesn't work, AC may not work, and that could be because of a bad relay in some cases, bad fuses, bad radiator fan motor, or bad radiator fan resistor. Now, something else that you need to check, guys, if you have Freon in your system, you need to check the amount of Freon. Now, most of the Dodge Chargers, guys, okay, depending on which one you have, this is the R134A, that's the old school, okay, older refrigerant. This is the new stuff that they started using in, like, I don't know, 2014, something like that. You may have both, depending on which one you have, guys. And we have a special video about how to recharge AC, but right there, okay, that thing there, that's the low pressure AC port where you connect and you can check your pressure and see if you have Freon. So if you're low on Freon, your AC will blow warm air because the engine computer will not activate the compressor. Now that could be caused by leaks, condenser leak, that's the radiator for the AC. You could have a bad compressor that's leaking, hose that's leaking, O-ring somewhere as well. You have, guys, right here one switch that's known as an AC pressure switch. I'm talking about that switch right here. The purpose of that switch is to detect how much pressure you have in the AC system, and if you have enough pressure, the engine computer will tell the compressor, okay, time to activate the clutch. But if your AC pressure switch does not work, your AC will blow warm air. If you want to see how to test AC pressure switch, check out the video, guys. We'll have it on the channel, how to test AC pressure switch on Dodge Charger. Next, it could be, guys, really easily, it could be bad AC compressor clutch. If the clutch doesn't work, that's one of the quite common things on high mileage vehicles. Clutch will go out, it will not engage the compressor, and that can easily cause that problem as well, because if the clutch doesn't engage, the compressor will not turn and it will not move the Freon. So that's another thing. Next, you have, guys, something else that most people will never think about. We're talking about blend door actuator. You know, when you set the temperature on hot or cold on your Dodge Charger, you have one flap or two, depending if you have, most of them you have two because it's dual climate control. You have two flaps that regulate the passenger and the driver temperature. Or if you have single climate control, you have one flap. That flap, guys, okay, opens between hot and cold air. Hot air coming from the heater, cold from the AC. And if that blend door actuator it's not working correctly, it may be stuck in hot position where AC system works, everything's fine, everything's great, but practically at that point the blend door actuator is stuck on hot position, it will blow hot air. So that could happen as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you next time.